Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you how I made over 7% in the market today, which equaled $330 in my overall account. And whenever I got in from work, my wife stays at home with her newborn. And so we got home, we ate spaghetti, and had a really good time. And I'm very blessed because I had a really good day in the market, which is starting the week off the way I wanted to. Last week I ended the week at 12.9% total account growth, and this week I started today at 7.18% of my overall account. So very fortunate. We're very fortunate as a family. We have 5 kids together, and we just have an amazing time. So if you've never traded in the market, we're going to be putting up a lot of stock videos. I'm going to be doing technical analysis on Sunday of the futures breakdowns. So Sam and I would ask you to go down and subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when we come out with new videos. So today I traded natural gas. It had dropped down a lot. I saw a consolidation area, and I saw a potential uptrend starting, and so I actually traded UGAS. So I trade a lot of ETFs, and okay, so this is UGAS. This is the 5-day, 15-minute chart. All right, so as you can see, we are kind of sliding down. Let's look at the 180-day. All right, so we have been sliding down the last few days, and I actually went against that trend only because the massive sell-off from Friday to Sunday whenever futures open on Sunday night. So let's go back to the 5-minute, and so we had this big gap down. So this is the close on Friday, and this was the open. It had dropped down right here. So we saw this consolidation area happening, and as you can see, we had a drop down here and another uptrend here. So it's almost like you can follow past trends somewhat. So this was what I was looking for, and this is what I was hoping for with the trade. So nothing's 100%. You just have to do risk management. There is fundamentals and technical analysis that helps you see where the trend is going. And the more you trade and understand the charts, the better you'll get at this. So we saw this consolidation area here. This was at 6 a.m. and we saw this consolidation point over here to the right at 7 a.m. and then we started this uptrend. Well, when we broke this previous resistance right here overnight, I made entry. My entry was 123.80 on you guys, and I actually sold at 132. So it was actually a 45-minute trade. I made $330 in 45 minutes. So I actually sold at like 132, 132.07. So that was let's see if I can get it on the marker close to it. There's 132, 132.18. So as you can see, I like almost timed it perfectly on exiting where I saw the first resistance. Now I'm limited to 3-day trades a week under the PTT rule, so I'm just wanting to stay really consistent, continue to grow the account until I get above the PTT rule, which is $25,000. So we had a pullback right here. I mean, if I could trade multiple times, this would have been a great one to trade multiple times today. It sold off. It continued to uptrend. Actually broke the previous resistance here, sold off again, and really made a big move. There's a lot of volatility in the market right now, so you have to be really careful and get your directions right so you can continue to grow your account and stay consistent. So I'm going to pop up my Robinhood account today and show you that I did make the 7.1%, $330. And if you do trade already, If you do trade already, I hope you were green in the market today. I hope you continue to be green throughout the week. And if this is the first time you've ever been to the channel, Sam and I would ask you to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll get our future videos. I hope you have a great week. Take care. We'll see you next time.